Here is how to use YouTube Audio Library. So first, make sure that you have logged in to your YouTube account. Open your YouTube application, log into your account, and then close the YouTube application on your device. Open any web browser. Then after search for studio.youtube.com and go to YouTube Studio. Log into your account if needed, and then tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. And from the menu that appears, tap on Audio Library that is below the customization option. And here you can browse and play music tracks for your videos. If you want to switch channels, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and then select switch account, and you'll be able to do it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.